Nobody respects you. Not your friends, not your co-workers, not even you. You feel it. When they interrupt you, ignore your words, treat you like you're disposable. Let's be honest. You trained them to do that. Respect isn't something you beg for, it's something you earn. And right now, you've earned nothing. Why? Because you act like a side character in your own life. You say yes to crap you hate. You surround yourself with people who drain you. You break promises to yourself and expect others to take you seriously? No one respects someone who doesn't respect themselves. People treat you exactly how you let them. Every day, you're teaching them how important you are. When you laugh off disrespect, when you stay silent when you should speak up, when you keep the peace just to avoid drama, you're screaming, "I don't matter." You want others to respect you, but you have zero self-discipline. You waste your days scrolling. You skip the gym. You bite your tongue instead of speaking your truth. And you're shocked when nobody values your opinion? Here's the truth. People mirror your self-respect. If yours is low, so is theirs. You don't need to yell. You don't need to fight. You need to raise your standards. Say no once. Speak up once. Stop letting people cross your lines just to keep things chill. That peace you think you're keeping? If it costs your self-worth, it's not peace. It's surrender. Next time someone disrespects you, don't let it slide. Stop saying it's not a big deal. It is a big deal. Because if you keep backing down, you're not just losing respect, you're losing yourself. Fix it before it's too damn late.